Hi Startup Vision, my name is Chris Burggraeve. I am the founder of Vicomte LLC, a marketing consultancy and micro-venture company. I'm also the former CMO of Anheuser-Busch InBev. In this extra bonus video, I wanted to share with you the number one thing that I've learned over my last 30 years that is important for startup companies to be successful. If you don't crack the value proposition from the very beginning, you will not be successful as a startup. Now, what is a value proposition? A value proposition is a combination of relative benefits with relative price versus a reference. And it uses the words more, same, and less in a combination. I'll give you a quick example of how this works using the airline industry. If you are in the United States, if you are Delta Airlines or American Airlines, you may say, I am trying to convince you that I am more for more versus discount airlines. It's worth paying a premium for my service. It's one example of more for more versus the reference of discount airlines. If you're an airline that competes on cheaper prices and says I have the same benefits, for example, if I'm Southwest Airlines, I say I have the same benefit, the same service as the big ones for a cheaper price. I am more or I'm same for less. You use the word same, word less versus Delta Airlines and American Airlines. That's the second example. A third example could be I am a discount airline. I am Ryanair in Europe, or I am another discount airline. I am less for less. I give you less benefits but for a lower price versus those big airlines. So those are three simple examples of how you can use the framework of value proposition to be successful. As a startup, you should be able to clearly and simply articulate what you are more, same, or less against versus who. Good luck with it.